Does it matter? This is Haley's slide that she made, her belly slide.
Last night because I felt like being a penguin, and it works. After it snowed again, it made it slippery. Here, Haley, the steps. Daddy, we made steps. We made steps. We made steps. Just be careful when you're going down our stairs.
That's pretty cool. And they have a big fort they're working on here.
Look at the staircase. We cleared out a parking spot. We cleared out in front
The
of
mailman will be happy.
have a staircase. And we need to clear some of this out. Yeah, that's close. We also cleared right here.
Oh, look, we got little.
Oh yeah, we cleared out your slush.
Nice.
That's this is a spy hole. This is a snowball.
Cool. There goes little.